Hohensalzburg Castle, located in the picturesque city of Salzburg in Austria, is an iconic landmark that attracts tourists from all over the world. This magnificent hilltop fortress offers breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding landscape. Hohensalzburg Castle, built in the 11th century, is one of the largest fully preserved medieval castles in Europe. Its impressive architecture and rich history make it a must-see for travelers from all over the world. The castle's strategic location has played a vital role in Salzburg's defense throughout its history. For those interested in a panoramic view of Salzburg's stunning landscape, a visit to Hohensalzburg Castle is highly recommended. The castle's strategic location allows visitors to take in stunning views of the cityscape below and even catch a glimpse of the nearby mountains. Traveling to Hohensalzburg Castle is an unforgettable experience in itself. Visitors can take a leisurely stroll to the castle or opt for a cable car ride, which offers panoramic views of Salzburg along the way. Those planning a visit to Salzburg are highly recommended to include Hohensalzburg Castle in their itinerary. Its picturesque location and historical significance make it an unforgettable destination for travelers seeking cultural richness and natural beauty.